your credit report is wrong. And guess what? That mistake could be the reason you're paying higher interest rates, or worse, getting denied for a mortgage. If you're dreaming of buying your first home, your credit score has to be right. But errors on credit reports are super common, and most people don't even realize it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and fix credit report mistakes fast so you can qualify for a mortgage and get the best deal possible. Let's jump in. Okay, so why should you even care? Well, your credit score is the key to getting a home loan. A bad score means higher interest rates, bigger monthly payments, and possibly a flat-out mortgage denial. And here's the kicker: 1 in 5 credit reports has mistakes that lower your score. These could be incorrect late payments, accounts that aren't even yours, or old collections that should have been removed. First step? Get your credit reports, and don't just check one. There are 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. And guess what? They don't always have the same info. Head to annualcreditreport.com. Links in the description. This is the only official site for free credit reports. Right now, you can actually check all 3 credit agencies for free every week. Download them and let's move to the next step. Now, let's play detective. You're looking for mistakes like late payments on accounts you paid on time, accounts that aren't yours, identity theft alert, debts that were paid off but still showing as unpaid, incorrect balances that make it look like you owe more than you do. Before we fix anything, you need proof. If there's a wrong late payment, find your bank statement. If you paid off a collection, grab the "paid in full" letter from that creditor. The more proof you have, the easier this process will be. Now it's time to fight back. You can file a dispute online, by mail, or by phone with each credit bureau. Links to dispute Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion are in the description. If you're mailing it in, send it certified mail so you have proof it was received. Attach copies of your documentation, and clearly explain why the entry is incorrect. The credit bureau has 30 days to investigate and fix it. Now that you've submitted your disputes, keep an eye on your credit reports. You can track updates online or call the bureaus directly. If they fix the mistake, awesome. Your score should improve, meaning you're one step closer to mortgage approval. If they reject your dispute, don't stop. You can appeal, send more evidence, or even file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. So, let's recap real quick. Get your credit reports from all 3 bureaus. Look for errors, big or small. Gather proof that backs up your dispute. File your disputes online or by mail. Follow up and make sure mistakes get fixed. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more credit and home buying tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Now, go check your credit and take control of your financial future.